Most students can plot points. But when asked to describe their position, they suddenly get confused. What does it really mean to describe a point in the Cartesian plane? In this video, you will understand it step by step, in a very simple way. Let's begin. The Cartesian plane is a grid used to locate points. It uses two numbers called an ordered pair. That is written as x, y. The Cartesian plane has two important lines. The horizontal line is called the x-axis. The vertical line is called the y-axis. These two lines meet at one point, called the origin, which is 0, 0. That means x is 0, and y is also 0. The plane is also divided into four regions called quadrants. Quadrant 1, both values are positive. Quadrant 2, x is negative, y is positive. Quadrant 3, both are negative. Quadrant 4, x is positive, y is negative. When we say, describe the position of a point, we are answering three things. First, where is it located? Second, which quadrant or axis is it on? Third, what are its coordinates? So we are not just giving the point. We are explaining what it means. Let's try some examples. Example number 1. Point 3, 2. First, look at the x value. X is positive 3. Starting at the origin, move 3 units to the right. Now look at the y value. 2 means move 2 units upward. So the point is in the upper right region, which is the first quadrant. Example number 2. Point -4, 2. X is -4, so, starting at the origin, move 4 units to the left. Y is positive 2. Move 2 units upward. That is in quadrant 2. Example number 3. Point -3, -5. X is -3. Starting at the origin, move 3 units to the left. Y is -5. Move 5 units downward. That is in quadrant 3. Example number 4. 6, -1. X is positive 6. Starting at the origin, move 6 units to the right. Y is -1, so move 1 unit downward. The point is in quadrant 4. Now, let's look at special cases. If the y value is 0, the point is on the x-axis. Example. 5, 0. X is 5. Move 5 units to the right. Y is 0. That means no movement up or down. So, it lies on the x-axis. Next, if the x value is 0, the point is on the y-axis. Example. 0, -3. X is 0. No movement left or right. Y is -3. Move 3 units downward, so it lies on the y-axis. Let's summarize. X tells you left or right. Y tells you up or down. Signs tell you the quadrant. And 0 means the point lies on an axis. That is how you describe a point in the Cartesian plane. Try this one. -2, 4. Pause the video and describe its position. If you can describe points like this, you already understand the Cartesian plane. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.